Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. In this session, I will explain about post-graduation entrance test. It is related to our Telangana. The Usmania University is officially announced this set exam schedule. It is common post-graduation entrance test. Usmania University is conducted this set. Latest news, they are also giving edit options online application for the date of extend is also at the time of the application filling. If you have any mistake do, then now this time to edit your application option, this last date is mentioned, it is 29th October 2020. So check once your all details and compare with certificates. And as for certificates, now coming to in this session, they are giving examination schedule. Now coming to official notification, it is common postgraduate entrance test. It is related to CPGC set 2020 exam schedule for this notification. This is officially released from Director of the Administration. It is related to Usmania University, Hyderabad. In this notification, they are given mention the subject, serial number and date and day also given. The exam conducted in 3 shifts. It is first one 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and also second one 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Then another one is 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. They are mentioned clearly in this notification which exam or which type of subject is conducted in which date and which schedule also it is clearly given. For example, first one Friday 6th November 2020 they are conducting in first schedule. One is MA Arabic, MA Theatre Arts, PGD in Geographical Cartography and also MSc Chemistry or Paramedical Chemistry. It is 5-year integrated course. The second shift it is also given in this notification. It is PGD in Child Psychology and also another one is MSc Biotechnology also given. It is 5 years integrated course. Now coming to 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. it is third shift and our final shift. In this notification they are conducting PGD in Psychological Counseling and also MBA. It is Master of Business Administration is also conducted in it is also 5 years integrated course. Whereas same all exam are conducted in these shifts as for shifts and as for date. So clearly check your details. This full notification is available under description. This link is I am given here. Please check your details on this notification. If you have any doubts related to this notification, post on the comment section. And also now coming to especially for MCOM, 5th one Tuesday 10th November 2020 the Master of Commerce entrance test is conducted in, they are confirmed. So it is first shift. Now coming to third shift and second shift. This in this notification second shift is MA Public Administration, MSc Statistics, MSc Geology also conducting in these dates, but 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. they are conducting. Now coming to last one, it is MSc Mathematics. This exam is conducted in same date. It is 10th November 2020 and also third shift this exam is conducted. This full information is available under description. This link is I am given here and also they are mentioned the note for the some exams. Why? Because they are not conducted this exam entrance. There is no entrance exam for the subjects MA, Kannada, Marathi and Persian. These languages exams related to entrance test they are not conducted. So this is official notification from the Usmania University Administration, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this session. If you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.